As it appears, the worst of the Omicron surge is behind us. Some people are beginning to return to life as it was pre-pandemic. You saw during the Super Bowl yesterday, crowds of fans cheering on their team and celebrating with no masks in sight before, during, or even after the game. And with NBA All-Star Weekend in town this week, the question is it too soon to let our guard down? Isabel Lawrence spoke with doctors about COVID precautions.
We'll have visitors from all across the world coming to our fair city of Cleveland, Ohio.
In just days, all eyes will be on Cleveland for NBA All-Star Weekend. As attention on the city spikes, local COVID cases continue to drop. So what does that mean in terms of our behaviors during the pandemic?
A lot of it depends on where you are and what you're doing.
Dr. Amy Edwards at Rainbow Babies and Children's says with the low case counts and space in hospitals in Northeast Ohio opening up, some people can begin returning to normal activities, though she encourages mask wearing and avoiding large indoor events.
There's a lot of very safe activities that we can do, especially those of us who are vaccinated and boosted, with very little fear of getting COVID, especially if we're medically low risk.
Dr. Joseph Cabaza with the Cleveland Clinic says it also comes down to your own personal level of risk tolerance, your risk factors, and who you're interacting with.
If you did have a breakthrough infection, your risks of getting one are far lower when there's less virus in the community. But also, if you have a lot of prior immunity, you're unlikely to get very sick. And then that's why then you have to think about the people around you or in your bubble.
This weekend, people from all over will be coming to Cleveland, causing Dr. Edwards to worry there may be a slight bump in COVID cases.
The health and safety of everyone connected to NBA All-Star 2022 in Cleveland is a top priority for my administration.
Cleveland Mayor Justin Bibb announced everyone 5 and up will have to show proof of being fully vaccinated or testing negative for COVID to attend ticketed events. COVID precautions in the hopes that the only numbers going up this weekend are the ones on the scoreboard.
The Cuyahoga County Board of Health wasn't available for an interview today, but told me while data looks promising in terms of cases, they still recommend taking precautions. In a statement, they said in part, quote, "Large crowds such as those we will see this weekend for the NBA All-Star Game are conducive to the spread of illness," end quote. And they also went on to urge those attending All-Star Weekend events to social distance and wear those masks.
Of course, the hope is everyone takes those precautions at the same time. A huge weekend for us here in Northeast Ohio. Isabel, thank you.